Nourin, first of all, congratulations
Thank you, ma'am.
on your successful placement. Special call which I wanted to set up with you to congratulate you, wherein I want to know your experience.
Thank you for taking time. I really appreciate you for giving me that time as well. I know you're a busy individual. So the thing is, ma'am have always been constant in helping me completely. Being very honest with you, they've never left me to like search jobs by myself. They've always promptly been assessing my profile and sending me job updates and all that. And if I'm missing any job opportunity, they immediately inform me that, this is not your requirement, we'll try getting you something under your requirement. And finally I got the Clinera opportunity. And the place that I'm working at right now, it's just been 2 days that I've started, and it's pretty good, ma'am. They're quite friendly and very accommodating as well. So yeah, I would really like to thank you, Dr. Karuna ma'am.
To know that the placement team has really helped you, and that
Yes,
is what our role is also
yes.
partially. But what about the training? Was training experience also good for you?
Yeah,
Um,
training experience was also good for me, and also they did give me a brief on what all questions may come for the interview. So I had like prepared myself, and I've been since April onwards, I've been constantly attending interviews, ma'am. It's just I was like, I'll finally take up this job properly and not like, back off from it. I'll just take this opportunity up. So yeah.
it's also you have also put in a lot of efforts.
Yes, ma'am. Thank
Um, and that is why your journey has been successful.
you. Yes, ma'am.
um, is wish you all the very best. Is there anything else you would like to share?
No, ma'am. As much as this, I'm very thankful and very grateful for all of you for giving me this opportunity. It means a lot for me. I can't express it in words, but yeah, it does mean a lot to me.
Thank you so much, Noreen.
Thank
In
you.
case in future anything is there wherein we can help you, please do let
Yeah,
us
yeah,
know.
yeah,
You are
ma'am.
our
And if there's
student.
any, I've heard that you have launched a new course, AI and ML in healthcare. So mostly I will enroll myself for that in the coming future.
Okay, I would also suggest you that you should look at the MBA program also, which is with Bangalore University. In case if you want to, you can
Okay,
attach the AIML program with that. It will be
okay, done.
really good.
Yes, okay, done.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank you,
much,
ma'am.
Noreen.
Thank you.
You have a
Thank you.
wonderful day. Yeah.
You too,
Bye
ma'am.
bye.
Bye.